All right. Good evening. So we have a Cherry Mobile Quantum Plus tab, an 8-inch tab. The issue here is that this tablet is not touching. Let's charge it first. So it's charging. Volume up is working, volume down is working, power is working, but touch is not working. So this one is a model Cherry Mobile Quantum Plus. And this is for lungsod ng Mandawi. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look what's going on in this tablet. Can we power it off? No. So we can't power it off. First thing that we'll need to do is remove this cover. Okay. There. And then let's remove the SIM card tray, which is surely there's no SIM card tray. The SIM card tray is right here, so we don't have to remove anything. So we'll just remove the back cover. Back cover is out. This is the power. So this is the digitizer. Okay. What's going on here? Okay, let's put the digitizer back. Let's clean this one first. I'm just gonna use this one. Still touch is not working. So could be a touch issue. Battery is right here. So it looks like an issue with the touch. I don't see any damage here. It could be a damage on the screen itself because there's a broken line. LCD. Alright, so yeah, it might be a touch issue. No, it's a touch issue, but it might be. Okay, so we'll just order a touch digitizer. It's a filter. Bolts. So yeah, it might be a touch issue. Digitizer issue. But I don't see any damage. Maybe we need to remove the touch the digitizer so we can see the damage.